little mysteries, welcome back to my channel. I should really be welcoming back myself because I've been gone for so long, and I can explain that really quickly before we get into the video. So what happened was, I knew by the time school finished, I'm in college, and by the time this semester finished, I would not have enough time to film videos and get my work done. And by the time I would be able to get a video out and post it, it'd be too late. Like for Christmas. The time between Christmas and my finals was so close together that I'd only be able to post it like the day or two before Christmas. And by then it's too late. Everybody has their makeup looks picked out. Nobody's looking the day before Christmas to put on their makeup. So I just said, forget about it. I'll just do it after the holidays. I'll do my work and I'll enjoy my holidays too. And I was thinking about what I was gonna do for my upcoming videos, and all of these ideas just came to me. I've already got 4 videos, including this one that I gotta film. So speaking of this, let's get on with the video. And this is the Riverdale River Vixens makeup tutorial. So the River Vixens are the Riverdale cheerleading squad, and I'm gonna base it off of their uniform. And their uniforms are blue and gold and white. Its main color is blue. So I've already started with my foundations and concealers, and I prime my eyes. I'll list everything in the description below. So let's just jump right into the eyes. Now I'm going to be taking my Urban Decay Elements eyeshadow palette. I love this palette so much, but I don't think you can get it anymore. I think it's been discontinued, I'm sorry. And for the record, just because I use these colors from this palette doesn't mean you have to use that at all. You can use whatever you have, whatever you like, because that's the beauty part of this. It's just based off the colors. So to start with, I'm going to be taking Fool's Gold right here, and I'm just going to dip into that. And that I'm going to put on the center of my eyes. My eye primer is creasing up a storm. I'm really going to split my eye in half, and in the inner half I'm going to put in the gold. And I'm really going to pack it in there. And now that I got the gold on, the closest blue shade I found, because that's what's going next, is this Sapphire Dream. I used this exact palette once in a Stitch makeup tutorial. It was too far away for me to put in the little bubble up there, but I will leave it in the description. And I'm just gonna leave Sapphire Dream on the outer corners and blend it on the top a little bit. And just blend it down the middle so it's not a really harsh line. Now another color they use is white, so I'm gonna take these big sparkling white over here, right in the middle. This one doesn't, oh wait, yeah it does, it has Luna. And on a flat brush, I'm gonna take that, I'm gonna dip into that. And I'm gonna put that on my inner corners and my brow bone for my highlight. Okay, yeah, so with a fluffy brush, you're gonna put that on your inner corners and your brow bone. Okay, so moving on to eyeliner, I'm going to be taking a white eyeliner. I've got the NYX Professional Makeup White Liquid Liner Blanc. And I'm just gonna be making a thin line. And I messed it up. You gotta be careful with these. Ah! Ugh. See, I don't use these types of eyeliners very often, so I just keep messing it up. Alright, you know what, I'm gonna keep going, and then when it dries, I'm gonna clean it up with some concealer. And if you mess up your eyeliner, just go back in with the colors and cover it up slightly. It'll work, don't worry. If it works on black, it can work on white. And with white eyeliner, you might want to give it a second coat. This goes for any white eyeliner, by the way, not just specifically this one. Okay, so like I said, I'm gonna have to clean up my eyes. I'm gonna have to give this eye a second coat. So you know what, I'm just gonna skip this part. I'm just gonna cut to my finished eyeliner look, and I will see you in a minute. Okay, I cleaned up my eyes, and now I'm going to be going on to one more eyeliner for my waterline, which will once again be white. I used a liquid instead of a pencil because I thought I'd get a sharper line, maybe even more pigmented. So just take your white eyeliner and put it in your waterline. Okay, so next I'm just gonna curl my lashes really quick. And I'm gonna put on my Benefit They're Real Tinted Lash Primer. I got a bad habit of putting on mascara fresh out of the bottle without wiping it off or anything. I really shouldn't do that, but I do. Okay, now move on to your favorite mascara. I'm using my Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara in the Diamond Edition. Okay, now that I'm done with my top lashes, I'm going to go in with my bottom with some bottom lash mascara. Mascara is different on your lower lashes than your upper lashes. I don't remember why, but I know it is. And for my lashes, I like to use the Monsieur Big Mascara. I forgot when I last used this. And I'm just going to take it and I'm going to put it on my bottom lashes, and if it gets clumped together, just use something to break it up. Okay, and with that, your eye makeup is done. Now I'm going to be moving on to the rest of my face. So first things first, I'm going to take my bronzer. This is my Too Faced Milk Chocolate Soleil Matte Bronzer, and with an angled brush, I'm going to tap into that. Tap, 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 tap. Tap off the excess. And just carve out my cheekbones. A little bit on my forehead. And I'm gonna pinch it, and just a little bit on the sides of my nose. Also on the bottom. Okay, now moving on to blush. The good thing about a cheerleader makeup look, any cheerleader, is that you can use any blush you'd like. So here I'm using this cream blush that I've really been liking lately, and it is Cherry Blossom Babe. Oop, that's the brush. It comes with the brush. Hang on. There we go. I love my powder blush from L'Oreal. It's still my go-to. But this is good in a quick pinch, and cream blush is good for people with dry skin, which I have. And blend away with the Beauty Blender. Okay, now that I'm done blending out my blush, I'm going to be moving on to highlighter. Now I decided to relax with the highlighter because the eyes are just so crazy. And I am going in with my I Heart Revolution Mini Glow Highlighter. If it'll ever open up, there it is. And I'm going in with this one right here. It's my go-to. Just tapping into that with a brush. Tap off the excess. I'm gonna highlight my cheekbones. Tip of my nose, my forehead, and my chin. So now you can just go in with either a natural or a nice pink lipstick. I'm going in with my Maybelline SuperStay Ink Crayon in stay exceptional. Anyway, a little trick to make your lips look bigger is to get some clear lip gloss or a gloss that matches your lipstick and to put it just in the center of your lips. And that's what I'm gonna do. Not because I wanna make my lips look bigger, which I do, but because I just wanna get that nice shine in the middle. I think it looks good. I really like it. And now that I've got my lipstick on, I'm gonna go back in with that highlighter and highlight my Cupid's bow as usual. Okay, so for my last step, I'm going to be setting my face with the Too Faced 3-in-1 Replenishing Primer and Setting Spray. And I'm done! Thank you so much for watching. If you like this tutorial, please click the subscribe button, the notification bell, give this video a thumbs up, and please share the video. And please, please stay a beautiful mystery. Bye!